Just look at this beautiful car. My words are not going to even match just what this car is telling you right now. It's a 68 Eldorado, black with the white is just killer. That's why I bought it. 32,000 actual miles, air conditioned, loaded up with options, serviced. Just a stunning car. I'm in love with it. Go to volocars.com where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. If you scan the QR code, it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I don't know if I've really paid attention much to these, but when I seen this one, it's an exception. Don't compare this to any of the other ones out there. The colors, the black with the white, absolutely unbeatable. It has a very high quality repaint, one-time repaint from a restoration company. This hood is so long it looks like a helicopter pad. And everything is absolutely straight. And these razor edge lines on top of the fenders and quarter panels, unbelievable. Opens up so easily. The jambs are clean. Nice big giant door, and look how nice that closed. Look at this trunk lid, how it comes down like that. And look at these tail fins, curved back of the trunk lid. The design is just amazing. Cadillac built this as a personal luxury car, personal car. It's got luxury and performance. Absolutely all laser straight, all mirror finish. Look at that. You could tell, I could tell time if it wasn't for being upside down, and I'm not that smart, but you can read small print in the reflection. The lines are absolutely straight. Opens up so easily. Shuts like a new car. No door dings, not a bubble, no rust, no nothing. Just all absolutely straight like black glass. Just beautiful. Built-in turn signal indicators on top of the fenders. Has cornering lights with the Cadillac emblem. Check out the hideaway lights. This whole grill is original and it just looks so cool. Behind those headlight doors, which do work real well, it has three of the original headlights, T3 headlights, just to help verify the mileage on the car. I love the dual stripe tires. Those are new. Matter of fact, still has some of the nubs on the tread there. Hubcaps are in excellent shape. Power antenna works. I just tried it myself. It goes up to about this high. The windshield is crystal clear. Again, the paint is just a mirror finish. Oh, there is a touch-up right here. Someone did a good job touching up something right there. The stainless trim is original and very good. The white vinyl top was replaced, so that's in really nice shape. The back window has, I think it's V-butted together, I think, because there's a line right down the middle. That's the way they were. It's a really curved windshield. The bumpers, $5,700 for the chrome plating on the front and back bumpers. That's through Paul's Custom Chrome, high-end chrome plating shop. And yeah, 5,700 bucks. I have the receipts. Door handles are real nice. The mirror's in real nice shape. It says Cadillac right on it. Eldorado emblems are sparkling. Stunning car. Let's get inside and check it out and show you the big engine under the hood. Like I said in the beginning, I don't think my words are doing this car justice, but it does speak for itself. Look at these taillights, just the style. There's nothing out there like this car. It's just amazing. And I've used this joke before. We took all the bodies out. We made sure there weren't any bodies, I should say. I had to use it on this car because this thing is gangster. Underneath the trunk lid's looking really sharp. It is a power trunk release. That works as well. I tried it myself. Inside here, it's got the side liners and the carpeted floor, all real nice. Looks like it has the automatic pull-down feature too. And it looks like one of the original tires for a spare, the complete jack assembly. You might notice some ductwork for the rear blower, rear defogger. That works as well. So yeah, super nice, clean trunk. No bodies. Now, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Even my father fell in love with this. He's seen it. We had a whole bunch of cars come in that day, and he's just like, whoa, where'd this come from? Again, the jambs are real nice. Weather strips have been replaced. Now this is an original white interior. Door panels look very nice. Of course, they got a little patina to them, but very well cared for. Got power windows and power locks on the doors. All the dash pad, the knobs, instruments are real nice and clean. It has automatic headlight dimming, 32,548 miles. It has a climate control system. All that's working. Clock's not working. It's right twice a day. AM, FM radio. This cracks me up. It's not a glove box. That's the ashtray. They had huge ashtrays back then, but no cup holders. There's no cracks that I see anywhere in this dash pad. It's in mint condition. Glove box is also super clean. It has the owner's manual in here. Interior light works. Side panels are real nice. The original Cadillac floor mat's still in really good shape. Carpet's probably been replaced. That looks brand new. And we're sitting on, they call it a strato bench seat. So it's a bench seat on the bottom, but it's the bucket seats in the back. The armrest does fold up. Back then you would ride a person in the middle here. And this is all the original genuine leather, not vinyl. And it's original for its age. I think it looks very good. The back of the seat's real nice. A little upholstery here. Same thing back here. You got the floor mat, nice carpet, genuine leather on the seats in really nice shape. This is a power seat up front here too. And all of this is just very nice, very clean for original. Headliner looks to be original, also in really nice shape. I don't see any rips or tears. The visors are real nice, as the vanity mirror. This mirror is a little bit cloudy. And then the steering wheel is a tilt and telescopic wheel. And it has a tri-note horn that I love, nice loud horn. So again, very nice, clean, original interior. And fully optioned out. Power windows, locks, antenna, power trunk, power seat. So this is the first year for the big 472 cubic inch motor, making 375 horsepower and over 500 pounds of torque. This thing runs smooth as can be. They tuned it up, even has reproduction spark plug wires. The air conditioning system serviced, and that is working. Everything is just clean and proper. You have the raw fiberglass heater box, all the hoses and wires, just everything is nice and clean and proper. Look how nice this metal is, all nice and smooth. Here's those 3 horns down here. You got the 2 normal horns, and then Cadillac gives it this long horn in the middle too. It has a GM reproduction hose. It has power steering with some extra cooling. That must be a Cadillac thing. This here is the air bottle for the self-leveling, pretty much as air shocks in back. You put stuff in the trunk and it'll raise up. Those never work, but it looks like it's all complete. I asked the mechanic to look into that and let me know if it was working or not. And then the firewall tag is there. It does show for the black paint. I think it's tuxedo black or sable black with white leather interior. It looks like it has new insulation under the hood. So very clean, serviced, authentic engine compartment here. Michael's going to show you how smooth it runs, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Due to some harsh winter weather conditions, we're forced to temporarily do our test drives inside our showrooms virtually. We will continue with regular test drives around the block as soon as weather permits, but until that time, we certainly hope you enjoy our multi-camera startups.
know if it has the automatic pull down or not. It just closed, but it closes so nicely. Underneath is real clean. You know, something we didn't talk about, if you notice, there was no hump on the floor. This is a front wheel drive car. 1967 is when Cadillac came out with that. And it was a first for GM. They did it in a Tornado as well. But just all nice clean. It has a dual exhaust, which is odd. It's a dual exhaust that goes into a muffler, and then it comes out as one pipe with a resonator. We are replacing the resonator as well. We got one ordered for it. Disc brakes in front. Might have been the first year for that. God, that hood is big. So just all nice, clean, all the steering, all the suspension, everything's been looked at, inspected by our shop. It's all functional. The underbody is rock solid. It's undercoated, sound deadener. A lot of Cadillacs came with sound deadener. And it's just been dusted with some black paint to look nice and fresh. You look up at the motor, it's clean. We put a new starter in the car. It's a turbo 425 transmission in this car, and it's a unique setup next to the motor, next to the oil pan. And the rear end is like a 320 gear, so a nice cruising gear in the car. But there you go. I'm going to shut up, let the car do the talking, and there just isn't another one out there. No, if you find one like this for half the price, it's not this car. Just remember that. You can go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. I suggest you measure your garage first, and if you need financing, it can help with that. I'm going to get out of the way. Thanks for watching.